Cleaning the Solid510 printer. Verify that you have a long cleaning card for your card printer. First, open the hopper cover and remove your blank cards and set them aside. Next, press and release the swing arm assembly. Then remove the ribbon cartridge assembly and set it aside. With the hopper and swing arm open, press both buttons on either side of the display. Hold them until you see the message that says cleaning mode initializing, then release the buttons. Open the cleaning card package and remove the long cleaning card. Make note that there is a notched end and a narrow end. Feed the narrow end into the printer. The card will come to a stop, and the message will direct you to close the swing arm. Close that top cover. The cleaning card will cycle into the printer. The rollers will spin onto the cleaning card, which actually has alcohol impregnated on it. The card will cycle back and forth several times. Once the cleaning cycle is finished, the card will eject. Go ahead and remove the card. Open the top cover in the swing arm unit. Replace your ribbon cartridge assembly. Close the top cover. The printer will reset and go back to normal operation. Go ahead and replace your blank cards. And it's always a good idea to check the card thickness gauge as well and make sure that it is set to the 0.8 setting. Your printer is now ready to go.